The topic is computing the dot product of two vectors. So let's look at the definition. If we have two vectors, v equal v1, v2, v3, and w1 equal w1, w2, w3, then these two definitions, the geometric definition will be the dot product of v dot w will be norm of v, norm of w times cosine of the angle between them. And the algebraic one will be v1 w1 plus v2 w2 plus v3 w3. It's really simple. So let's do this example. So let v equal I plus w equal I plus j and compute v dot w geometrically. So let's first graph I. This is what we mean with I, right? And then I plus j, this is j, so I plus j will be right here, this vector. This is I plus j. So the angle between them is 45 degrees, right? Alright, so according to the geometric definition, v dot w will be equal I dot I plus j, which is the norm of I times the norm of I plus j times cosine of the angle between them. Now the norm of I is the same thing as 1 squared plus 0 squared, which we know the norm of I's unit vector is 1, but let's just use the definition, times square root 1 squared plus 1 squared times cosine of 45 degrees. Now this is going to be 1 times square root of 2. Cosine of 45 is 1 over square root of 2. Simplify square root of 2, the answer will be 1. Now let's compute v dot w algebraically, and we're supposed to get 1, of course. So now we're going to use this definition. So v dot w is equal, let's use the other notation, it's just different notation so we can use both. So I is what? 1 0 dot I plus j is vector 1 1. Now this is going to be equal 1 times 1, right? This is 1 times 1 plus 0 times 1, right? I mean, think of a z as a 0. You can even add a 0. Look, this is 0. You can even add the 0, so it's going to be 0 times 0 if you want to add the third component. So v dot w will be equal 1 plus 0, which is 1. So we got the same answer. This answer and this answer are the same. Now let's do the next example. Let v equal 1 over square root of 2, square root of 3, negative 1. W equals square root of 2, negative 1 over square root of 3, 3. And then compute algebraically v dot w. So same thing, this is my v1, v2, v3. This is my w1, w2, w3. So v equal v1, w1 plus v2, w2 plus v3, w3. So all I'm doing is plugging in the numbers. v1 is 1 over square root of 2, w1 square root of 2, plus v2 is square root of 3, w2 is negative 1 over square root of 3, plus v3 is negative 1, w3 is 3. Now v is equal, this goes with that, 1, this goes with this, plus negative 1, minus 3. This they're going to cancel, and then you'll get minus 3. And that's it.